Hey guys, so I'm gonna be changing my bike pedals. I'm gonna be installing the RockBros that I unboxed the other day. So what you're gonna need is 15mm flat wrench like this one that's long enough that you can get some good torque on it. What you gotta remember is left pedals have a reverse thread, or left thread. So instead of saying lefty loosey righty tighty, it's lefty tighty righty loosey. So it's opposite. The right pedal is the normal way, righty tighty lefty loosey. Just don't do that on the left side because you're gonna screw up your crank. All right. Let's try this. So lefty loosey. On the left is the opposite, so righty loosey, so it's on the right side. Let's try that. Let's see if I can get this. Okay, yeah, so that came out. Oh, nasty. Well, I'm gonna go get some towels. Okay, I'm back. So let's do the right side. So the right side is the normal thread, so it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey being counterclockwise. This. Oh wait, righty, yeah, lefty loosey this way. Oh, a little tip, I guess, would be to put the chain on the big ring, because if you end up slipping, you won't jab your knuckles into their chain ring. It's a better idea to do that. Okay. I'm not putting my bike on a stand right now because it's raining hard outside, so I'll just do it this way. Actually, I'm getting my PCS 10 on Monday, which is in 2 days. So I'm just gonna do it by hand here. Well, won't screw up the thread as well. So, okay, those are coming off. I guess I'll give it a good wipe. Okay, so those pedals were the originals that came with the bike. So you got to use a 15mm flat, whereas the new ones come with the hex. So you got to use 6mm hex. So what they recommend also for pedal torque, I think Park Tools was suggesting 300 inch-pounds. It's pretty common. I mean, there's specific ones, but I think they said 300 inch-pounds, which translates to 25 foot-pounds, because my torque wrench is in foot-pounds. So I'm going to do 25 foot-pounds to tighten it. And yeah, we'll do it by hand. So I'm going to do the left one. So lefty loosey, so the opposite, so lefty tighty. So I gotta turn it looking onto the crank. Left would be to tighten it. So let's stick that in. Oh wait, we should probably grease it first. I'm just gonna use any normal grease. You could use something more professional, but I'm not a pro. So just pop that on. Okay. So lefty loosey, which is tightening it, because it's the opposite on the left side. Okay. Make sure you just put it in with your hands nicely like this. You don't strip the threads. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that in like that. I'm gonna tighten it after. Let's do the right side. So 25 foot-pounds of torque. Okay. I'll wipe this down after. Okay. So looking down, it's righty-tighty. Looking, oops, righty-tighty. Oops, I'm the opposite, so. Yeah, looking onto the crank, it's righty-tighty, yeah. I can see how this can get confusing for people, but just remember, the right side it's normal thread, left side it's the opposite way. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Stupid. Ugh. See how this is easier done on a bike rack, but gotta deal with what we got now. Okay. So while it's in there, I'm just gonna wipe my hands off a little. Torque wrench is set to 25 foot-pounds. See if I can do it this way. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, it's in. See if nothing's in the way. Yeah, it's in the way. Hold on, I gotta figure something out. Okay, sorry. I had to get a longer 6mm hex bit because couldn't really do it or else. So I'm gonna go in, set to 25 foot-pounds of torque, and I'm just gonna hold on to it here. See if we can get it to tighten. I might just hold on to it like this. $25. gonna hold on to it like that. Alright, you hear it click. That's 25. So same thing for this side. Okay, see if we can get it stable. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm gonna go the right way. This side's the opposite side, so left is tightening. So I gotta switch this up. It's gonna go that way. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna hold on to it on this side of this because I couldn't get any position. So I'm gonna push up. There, 25 or 300 inch-pounds of torque. Okay. All right. So that's it. They're on. Next, I'm going to be doing my lock-on grips. Just here's a close-up of the pedals. RockBros 4.10. I chose these ones because they're all like one piece. The pegs, the studs are screwed in, but the whole metal part, it's one piece. So I'm not gonna have any funny looseness or anything. So I think these were a good pick. Yeah, and they look nice with the bike. So